Look up at the sky. You see countless stars. Sometimes you might spot a planet. One of these wanderers is Mercury. It is the closest planet to our sun. You might think being so close to a star would make it a simple, scorched rock, but the universe is rarely that simple. Mercury is a world of incredible extremes and fascinating surprises. It is a tiny planet with a giant iron heart, a place where a single day lasts longer than 2 of its years. It is a cosmic puzzle box, holding clues about how our entire solar system came to be. And we are just beginning to unlock its secrets. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is just a little bit larger than Earth's own moon. If you could line up all the planets, Mercury would look like a tiny marble next to the giants like Jupiter. However, do not let its small size fool you. For its size, Mercury is incredibly dense. In fact, after Earth, it is the second densest planet we know of. This tells us something profound about what is hiding beneath its cratered surface. Scientists have figured out that Mercury must have a massive metallic core, mostly made of iron, that takes up a huge portion of its interior. This giant iron core is one of Mercury's biggest mysteries. It makes up about 60% of the planet's entire mass. For comparison, Earth's core makes up only about 30% of its mass. Why would such a small planet have such a disproportionately large core? Did a massive collision in the distant past strip away its outer layers, or did it form this way near the young sun where heavier materials gathered? The name Mercury comes from the ancient Romans, a swift messenger. Because it is so close to the sun, Mercury zips around our star faster than any other planet. It completes one full orbit, what we call a year, in just about 88 Earth days. Yet Mercury spins very slowly, taking about 59 Earth days to rotate once. This unique rhythm means that if you could stand on Mercury's surface, the sun would appear to move across the sky in a very strange way, even seeming to reverse its course for a short time. The sun would appear huge in the sky, more than twice as large as it looks from Earth. Because of Mercury's elliptical orbit and slow spin, the sun can stop, drift backward, then continue forward. It is a direct consequence of the 3-to-2 spin-orbit lock. A reminder that our earthly experience of a day and year is not the universal standard. This long solar day has dramatic consequences. For 88 Earth days at a time, one side is baked relentlessly by the sun. Surface temperatures can reach about 430 degrees Celsius, around 800 Fahrenheit. That is hot enough to melt lead and zinc. Without an atmosphere to hold heat, energy radiates into space as night falls. Nighttime temperatures can drop to about -180 Celsius, near -290 Fahrenheit. This swing of over 600 degrees Celsius makes Mercury a world of fire and ice. Mercury has almost no atmosphere to speak of. Instead, it has an exosphere, an ultra-thin layer of atoms blasted off its surface by solar wind and micrometeoroids. It is more like a vacuum than an atmosphere. Here is the biggest surprise of all. Even on this sun-scorched planet, scientists have found evidence of water ice. The ice is hidden inside craters near the poles, where sunlight never reaches. With almost no axial tilt, some crater floors are permanently shadowed. In these perpetually dark, frigid pockets, temperatures stay low enough for water ice to exist. This discovery transformed our view of Mercury from a simple, dry rock into a complex world with hidden reservoirs of ice. When we look at pictures of Mercury, one feature immediately stands out: craters. Every asteroid and comet that struck over billions of years left its mark. Among them, the Caloris Basin dominates an entire hemisphere, about 1,550 kilometers across. But Mercury's surface is not just shaped by impacts. Forces from within have left their signature. As its massive iron core cooled, it contracted. The crust wrinkled and buckled, forming lobate scarps, even slicing across younger craters, evidence that Mercury is still slowly changing. For centuries, Mercury was a mystery, hard to see, lost in the glare of dawn or dusk. NASA's Mariner 10 performed 3 flybys in 1974 and 1975, revealing a cratered world and a surprising magnetic field, but mapping only about 45%. Decades later, Messenger became the first orbiter, circling from 2011 to 2015, mapping the entire surface, probing its chemistry, exosphere, and magnetism, and confirming polar ice. Now, ESA and JAXA's Bepi-Colombo, launched in 2018, carries 2 orbiters to study Mercury's interior and magnetic environment in even greater detail. It aims to unravel the mystery of Mercury's oversized core and the origin of its water ice. Mercury is a world of contradictions, a tiny planet with a huge core, a scorched surface with hidden ice, a place with a day longer than its year. As we explore, Mercury teaches us about planet formation, the power of gravity, and the diversity of worlds in our own backyard. What other secrets does this swift messenger hold? The universe is waiting. We just have to keep looking.